Good morning. Let's have coffee over snow. Snow talaga. Ayan. It's snowing. It's snowing.
Mom, maybe.
Today is February 11th, 2021, and it's snowing over Washington State. Specifically, Tumwater, Olympia, Lacey, Washington. How's the weather like over in your area?
I'm trying to think of what else you can use. Like for permanent marker, I always use hand sanitizer.
Okay. I might call one of those companies that come in and clean your houses and all that. They usually would know what product they use.
They most of the time they use the product that they use is the one that requires the vacuum thing. It's like a pump that it heats up stuff and it warms it up and pulls.
What's going on with Stephanie when she's not there?
She's looking for gloves.
Kinakalkal niya yung ano. Ayan na, it's snowing, snowing, snow. It's going to be a snowy weekend. It's only Thursday and it's... Do you think Sunday still snow, Daddy?
Yeah, it's all week.
Remember we have to go. Ayan na, guys. Snowing.
Not holding the door because I like you. Get in the car, Stephanie.
Snow, snow, snow. Hindi naman malamig, guys. Basta ano, kumpleto ka lang sa gear. Winter Wonderland. Ayan o. Kain kayo? Oh. Ayan o. Snow. Halo, halo. Ouch! Ay, yeah, there's snow in my seat.
You just put it in there. It's just getting you.
Snowstorm.
They said it will be one.
They did already?
Yeah, look right there.
Look, them kids in the neighborhood. They're having fun. Okay, we are eating McDonald's in a snow day. Ayan, Big Mac. Stephanie, Eloise, what you doing? What's going on? So, arroz caldo or lugaw na may papaya and shredded chicken para sa snow gabi. At saka yung ating tanglad tea. Tanglad and cinnamon stick with ginger tea and hard-boiled egg for our arroz caldo. Ayan, madilim na sa labas and it's still snowy. Yep, it's still coming down.